Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Adik Tusa Isma. My name is Nur Imanina binti Muhammad Sapirun, and today our group will be presenting about web publishing by using Joomla website, and we chose eSport website, which is Veroforce Nation. And this is my teammates, Aimi Patini binti Arifin, Nurin Karmila binti Abdullah, Shawam Muzabiha binti Jaysham, and Yasin Sanira binti Ibrahim. So I will explain roughly for the overview for the Veroforce Nation eSport website. So at the home page, we have a header and then logo, name of website, menu, and navigation bar. We have a drop-down menu here. Also, we have a search bar here, and we have a hero image, and all of these we have at all page that show the consistency in the website. So we try for the search bar. For example, we want to search diamond. That's our service. So we search, and the result will be appear here. So this is diamond top up, our services. So we go back to the home page, and then we want to test the AI chat. So we have tried it, and it function and give the correct information. Okay, next. This we have a breadcrumbs, and then we have a video embed. Okay, next we have the information about the home page, and then we have embed a map that show the company location, and then we have a explore more button that bring to the next page, and then we have a back to top button that function nicely, and then we have a footer that have a copyright information and the author, and we also have 3 social media link. For example, we have TikTok. Next, we have a WhatsApp that bring to our manager website, manager WhatsApp, and then we have Instagram. Okay, so for your information, our button and footer is consistent for all pages. So we click on explore more. Okay, that bring to our about us page. It's just the same, and the content for about us, and then we embed the management of Veroforce and team players. We embed a video. As you guys can see, it function as video, not as image. And then next page, we have our services page, and if cursor goes, so the title will change the color to acknowledge the user that this can be clicked, and it will bring us to the next page. Okay, so we go to services back, and then it users just can click, so it's user friendly. And then if they're interested in our all services, they can click on contact us, and it will bring to the contact us page. Okay, we go back to the services, and we also have a back and next button that function nicely. Okay, next we have a diamond top-up service, our first service. So this is the information, and we embed a poster. Okay, so this all same and consistency. It will bring us to the contact, and we try. If back, it will back to our general page. Okay, so tadi we add diamond top-up. Okay, so we click next, it will bring us to our second service. So we embed a poster, the information it's also same. Next, so this is our third service. We have a embed poster, the information, and if have any inquiry, can click to contact us, and it will bring to a contact us page. Next, we click next. This is our last service, also embed a poster, the information. Next. So this is for our achievement. We embed a poster, and then we embed a video. So basically, this poster and video is in card design. As you guys can see, this AI chat is have at all pages. So this is listing our achievement. Next. So this is for our gallery, and we use plugin that can attach many pictures. Also for tournament moments, so it can have a lot of image here. Next. If the user have any inquiry, they can click at manager admin, for example. Click in the name. So it will appear our manager contact information, and then we can send the email to the manager, and also have links to TikTok, WhatsApp, and have information here. Okay, next we go to our coach contact. Also, we click the name, and will appear our coach biodata here. He also same have links to TikTok and his WhatsApp. Next, we go for our leader. Okay, click on the name. This is our leader information, and if we want to send the email, we want to ask something, we also can have a contact form here. For example, so we send the email, and the leader will receive the email, and this website will appear a message like message sent successfully. So after the message sent successfully, we can back to the home page. So it will bring us to the home page. That's all. Thank you. Veraforce Nation is a local esports organization and digital gaming community that focuses on developing competitive players and structured team performance within the Mobile Legends MLBB ecosystem. Technically, Veraforce Nation operates as a centralized gaming service platform where the competitive activities, player development, and value-added services are integrated into a single digital portal. The organization is actively involved in tournament participation, team training, scrum coordination, and community engagement at both local and national levels. For the first one, we go to the home page. For the home page, it functions as the main landing page of the website. In Joomla, this page is created using a menu item linked to a featured article which allows important content to be displayed as the first view when users access the site. The purpose of the home page is to introduce what is Veraforce Nation, provide a clear navigation flow, and guide users to key sections such as About Us, Services, and Contact pages. Next, we move to the About Us page. The About Us page is developed using a single article layout in Joomla. This page contains information about the organization's background, objectives, management roles, and team structure. The purpose of this page is to establish credibility and help users understand the identity and direction of Veraforce Nation within the esports community. Next, for Services page. Services page acts as an overview page that displays all available services. Technically, this page is structured using articles connected through Joomla, menu items allowing each service to link to its own dedicated page. The purpose of this page is to organize services clearly and improve user navigation by acting as a central service hub. Next is Diamond Top-Up page. Diamond Top-Up page is a dedicated service page created as a separate article in Joomla. It includes detailed information about the top-up process, benefits, and usage guidelines. The purpose of this page is to explain the service clearly and direct users to the contact page for further actions or transactions. So, in the button Contact Us, it will link to the Contact Us page.
Room tour booking. For room tour booking service, this page is designed to help teams or players book rooms easily for their training session, team discussion, or tournament preparing. The main purpose of this service is to provide centralized and organized booking system so users can plan their activity without confusion. It supports both casual practice and competitive preparing. From a technical perspective, this page is developed using Joomla single article feature, which allows us to manage content efficiently under the service category. The booking information and description are structured using the Joomla WYSWYG editor with the custom HTML styling to enhance visual preservation and visual presentation. We also apply internal menu linking using Joomla menu item, so user can directly use this service from the service pages to ensure smooth navigation and better user experience with the website.
The Player and Screen Finder service is designed to help teams find suitable screen partner or player based on role, rank, and competitive requirement. The purpose of this service is to support team development by making it easier to arrange practice match, friendly scrim, or preparation for tournament. This is especially useful for competitive teams looking to improve performance. Technically, this page is built using Joomla article management system with custom HTML and CSS styling. Images are managed through Joomla Media Manager, and the layout uses a grid-based design to ensure consistency across different image sizes. Additionally, internal linking is applied using Joomla menu item ID, allowing users to move smoothly between service and the contact page.
Subscription service provide users with affordable access to various digital platforms such as Netflix, Canva, ChatGPT, and other premium applications. The purpose of this service is to offer a convenient and budget-friendly subscription option for users, especially students and gamers who require premium tools for entertainment or productivity. From the technical side, the service page is created by using a Joomla single article layout with a structured content section. Pricing information is presented clearly by using HTML list and style container for a better readability. So Joomla category system help to organize this service under the service section, while the internal link guide the user to the contact page for further inquiries.
For the achievement page, this page is designed to showcase Veroforce Nation's competitive performance and tournament history. In Joomla, this page is implemented using a single article layout with structured content sections that allow achievements to be organized by year and category. Visual elements such as images and content grouping are used to improve readability and presentation. So, the purpose of the achievement page is to demonstrate credibility, consistency, and competitive growth while serving as a digital portfolio that highlight the team's success in both local and national esports tournaments. Next page is the gallery. The gallery page functions as a visual archive of Veroforce Nation activities that include tournaments, team events, and the competitive moments. Technically, this page is built using media-based articles in Joomla, where images are structured within a responsive layout to ensure the compatibility across different screen sizes. This allows the website to maintain performance while displaying high-quality visual. So, the purpose of the gallery page is to enhance user engagement, provide visual proof of participation, and strengthen the organization brand's identity through the documented esports experience. This is the Contact Us page. The Contact Us page that serves as the main communication channel between the users and the Veroforce Nation. In Joomla, this page utilizes the contact component, which allows structured contact information and form submission to be managed centrally through the Joomla backend. Custom styling is applied to improve the usability and user experience. The purpose of the Contact Us is to enable direct interaction, allow users to make service inquiries, bookings, or requests efficiently while maintaining organized data handling within the CMS. Lastly, for the conclusion, the development of the Verafos Nation Esports website using the Joomla Content Management System, which is CMS, successfully applies web publishing principles in a structured and professional manner. The website effectively integrates organizational information, esports services, and achievement records using a user-friendly interface. This project enhanced the team's understanding of CMS configuration, content management, and the responsive design while meeting the objective of the web publishing courses. That's all for us. Thank you.